Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python programming series. So today we are going to be talking about the math module in Python. So you will be wondering, what is a math module? The math module provides various mathematical functions that can be used in Python programs. To use the math module in Python, first we need to import it. And here how to do it. First we will write import then math. So it is importing math module in this Python file, and we can use math module in this Python file by importing it like this. So now we can use in any of the function and constant provided by the math module. Let's try to find the value of sine. So the math module provides us various trigonometric function that can be used to perform mathematical operation. So finding the sine of an angle, here's how to find it. We are giving a declaring a variable, and we are writing math dot sine and angle. Angle is this. In this variable, we are taking pi and dividing it by 4. So it is giving us 4. So it is giving us like value 30 around 30 or 60, no, 30 or 45. So it's 45 degree or 30 degree around. So as you can see, we are getting 0.785 because we are dividing 3.15 by 4, and we will get this value. And for sine of that value is this sine value of that. In this example, we are using different function from the math module to perform trigonometric calculation. The math module provide various other mathematical functions that can be used to perform various, such as finding the square root, logarithmic value, absolute value, or cube of a value. So let's try to find a square root of 144. The square root of 144 is 12. Let's see the output. As you can see, it is giving us 12 only, 12.0. And let's write here 169. It should give us 13. Yeah, it is giving us 13.0. So let's try finding logarithmic value of this program. I mean, let's find logarithmic value of 10. We are getting 2.305. So we use in math we do log 1, log 2, log 10, like that. So logarithmic is log only. So log of 10 is 2.3025, and in normal math we write it as like in fractional form. Here we're writing it in decimal form. So in all of these examples, we are using different function from the math module to perform mathematical calculation. First we use sqrt to find the square root of 169 and 144, and we used math.log to find the logarithmic value of 10. Now, the math module also provide various mathematical constants that can be used in the Python program. Here are some example for that. Finding the value of pi. We can also find the value of pi by writing pi equals to math.pi. It will give us the value of pi. Let's see. It is giving us 3.14159 till 93. The original value of pi goes till infinity. It's a very long value, but here it is giving us till like how many, 10 digits or 12 digits. So it is giving us till 12 digits of pi, of the value of pi. And let's find the value of e. In this, we can find the value of e by math.e. So the value of e is 2.71828. It's some mathematical term e. And we can find the value of infinity also. We just have to write infinity equals to math.inf, and just have to run the variable where we have given this line. Infinity value is infinity. So in all of these examples, we are using different constants provided by the math module. So that's all for today's video on the math module in Python. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any question or suggestion for further videos, you can tell me in comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.